This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost DJ. This unique and powerful tower skin is a favorite among players for its incredible support abilities. It significantly boosts your tower's attack speed and range, making it a game changer in many challenging scenarios. The only way to acquire this exclusive skin is through a specific limited-time event that occurs annually, so timing is everything. The Ghost DJ is not always available. It makes its appearance during the game's annual Halloween event. This festive, yet challenging, period is your sole opportunity to add this spectral DJ to your collection. During this event, you must focus on earning a special item called the Spooky Skin Crate, which holds the key to unlocking the Ghost DJ. To get your hands on a Spooky Skin Crate, you'll need to dive into the special event missions. These challenges are designed to test your strategic skills, often requiring you to face off against unique, Halloween-themed boss enemies. You'll also need to prove your endurance by successfully surviving a certain number of waves on the exclusive event maps. To maximize your chances of getting the Ghost DJ, always keep an eye on official announcements for the precise dates of the Halloween event. It's also wise to prepare your most powerful towers and refine your strategies beforehand. Teaming up with one or two reliable friends can significantly increase your success rate in completing the challenging event missions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.